1967 Maserati Quattroporte. Price: $18,750. Location: Indiana, USA. The 1967 Maserati Quattroporte is a remarkable symbol of Italian luxury, performance, and exclusivity. At first glance, its elegant silver exterior immediately captures attention, while the black interior with genuine wood trim reminds you that this was one of the world's finest executive sedans of the 1960s. Built during Maserati's golden era, the first generation Quattroporte combined race-inspired engineering with refined craftsmanship, creating a car that was decades ahead of its time. Today, finding one of these classic Italian masterpieces is becoming increasingly difficult, making this example an exciting opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The heart of this legendary sedan is its matching numbers Maserati V8 engine, paired with a highly desirable 4-speed manual transmission. Unlike many luxury sedans of its era, the Quattroporte was engineered to deliver genuine sports car performance while offering exceptional comfort for long-distance touring. Equipped with 4 Weber carburetors and a dual exhaust system, this Italian V8 was known for producing a thrilling exhaust note and smooth power delivery. Even after nearly 60 years, the engineering behind this grand touring sedan continues to impress classic car fans around the world. The interior showcases everything enthusiasts love about vintage Italian automobiles. Rich wood trim stretches across the dashboard, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere. The cabin also features original Smith's instrumentation, a Lucas-branded ammeter, an analog clock, classic toggle switches, a center console, sun visors, and a beautiful 3-spoke steering wheel that perfectly complements the driver's experience. Every detail reflects the craftsmanship and attention to quality that made Maserati one of the world's most respected luxury performance brands. The exterior remains unmistakably elegant with its signature quad headlights, chrome bumpers, polished chrome trim, and timeless body lines. 4-wheel disc brakes provided advanced stopping power for the era, while the driver's side mirror and carefully designed proportions completed the sophisticated appearance. Even by modern standards, the first generation Quattroporte stands out as one of the most beautiful 4-door luxury sedans ever produced. It represents an era when automotive designers prioritized elegance, balance, and timeless styling over unnecessary complexity. The most exciting part of this listing is its incredible restoration potential. This Maserati has recently been removed from long-term storage and is currently not running, giving collectors the rare chance to revive a true Italian icon from the ground up.